Please watch this video before you give up on your Phothos or Monstera. I promise that'll save you a whole lot of time, a whole lot of money, and a lot of heartbreak. So this Phothos is from my How to Repot Your Phothos video. It was looking kind of bald. It was looking kind of sparse. But a couple of days ago, I said, and then I looked at that little green node and I was like, is that a rooting node? And it was not. The rooting nodes are brown, but these are actually new leaves. And I realized that Mother Nature is kind enough to give me a two, and 3 new leaves that are just going to vine out from there. But yeah, see, they're different than the rooting nodes. Those are crusty and brown. But yeah, if you're getting kind of nervous, just keep strong, keep along with a good watering schedule. You'll be good to go. Second things first, for your Monstera, disinfect your scissors and then identify which leaves you want to get rid of, either that were like yellow from overwatering, just getting old, or that you got attacked by thrips in my case. And then go ahead and snip that off where the leave's not coming out of. If you cut the plant with the leaf coming out of, sorry, that plant's not going to live. So that leave's going to have a whole lot of energy after I snip that off. It even works with tiny ass little stubs like this. I didn't realize that was going to grow a new one, but look at God. Okay, so snip that one off and get rid of that. I didn't need to do this with this one, but I just wanted that little crusty bitch to have a chance. So I cut that stem off. This one, even though it doesn't have a top leaf, I just cut that off and it's still going to have a stem that can still grow a leaf out of that. So it's hella interesting. Just make sure you're cutting the part of the plant with the petioles, the part that has already released the leaf, because you don't want to cut the part that has a little triangle in it, because that's going to be a whole ass new leaf. So yeah, just keep strong with your Phothos, keep along with your Monstera, and you'll be good to go.